As a 19-year-old founder, we recently signed Jitesh Sharma as our brand ambassador. I'm a huge RCB fan. After 18 years, the cup was lifted. So that day we decided and manifested it. Whenever we will do something big in life, Jitesh Sharma, he helped RCB to win. We will definitely take him as our part, just like he's a part of RCB. My name is Raghav Gupta and I'm studying BTech in NSTRU.
And my name is Aditya Kumar. I am also studying BTech in NST Residual City.
So we are the founders of Kickzar.
And here is our story.
We went to a turf on a weekend where we faced a problem that already on the same slot there were multiple bookings. That day we decided that we have to build a website or app where we can book a systematic turf system. I work on executions and operations, and Aditya, he's the tech guy and he also works on business strategies. And my friend Rishank, he works on marketing and branding. And Shubham, he works on product and user retentions.
When we met in SIH, we got an idea and then we pitched it to the Sahil sir, the CEO of Residual City, and they told us to work on it and reiterate the idea over and over to make it perfect. We are confident to fight our competitors because we have many other USPs. Also, we actually focus on the core problem of venue owners. They are focusing on large scale, and we are focusing on one by one thing to solve for each venue owners.
When we met Siddharth sir, the co-founder of Newton School of Technology, he gave us a challenge that complete a GMV of 1 lakh rupees in 3 months. But when he came back after 22 days, so we have already completed the challenge in just 22 days. So he said that this idea is actually sustainable and it is a real problem in tier 2 cities. He said that he will help us in growing in Bangalore and different cities, and also help us in getting our seed round.
Currently, we are in a stage of business validation in the tier 2 cities, which is almost done. Now we are fine-tuning our models for tier 1 cities like Bangalore, Gurgaon and Noida.
I'm a huge RCB fan. Me and Rishank, last time when the RCB won, Jitesh Sharma, he helped RCB to win. After 18 years, the cup was lifted. At the same day, we decided that whenever we will do something big in life, we will definitely take him as our part, just like he's a part of RCB. So that day we decided and manifested it. First, I made a call that like, Jitesh bhaiya, like we are doing this, so can you help us? First question was like, you are a college student. So he was in shock that they are also building something. So he said like, I have a soft corner for you because you are just a 19-year boy and I want to help you, genuinely help you, because you are also a sportsman and you are doing something in sports. So I will genuinely help you, but I have to follow some protocols. So what we can do is we can meet and you can pitch me the idea. After that, we pitched him the idea, and like we were like very nervous that the Indian cricketer Jitesh Sharma, he's so big player and he came for us. So we have to do our best. The last question was like, where do you see yourself after 1 year? He want to know our ambition for Kickzar. So he was expecting the answer and he got the answer that we have to stay at the world top. We are not seeing ourselves at India top. As a 19-year-old founder, it is a big achievement for me to sign Jitesh Sharma as a brand ambassador.
Initially, when we launched, we faced many problems. One of them was booking delay. One of the person, he tried to book, but the booking did not get accepted. So in the production, there was some issues with the database and everything with the technical things. And we got many calls from the user who tried to book that venue, that why it is not working and I want to book, so should I go offline? You're gonna do it or not? So that's how we get pressurized that we need to do something.
A day before like match paper, 9:30 paper, and you have to like keep your phones at 9. I got a call at 8:58. The booking is not coming, not showing up. Do something or I will cancel it. So I went to him like, do something like right now. We asked permission to the teacher. He said no, but at the end we got it and like we solved it just before 10 minutes before paper. Transparency is everything. We promise transparency. Second thing, we promise faster settlement than any other competition. So our competitors take 1 week. In 24 hours, we settle the amount in their bank account. Third thing, we provide different models. Not only the commission, but we help Turf to market their venues. And if they want to open some new venues, we also help them to locate the venues where they can actually get the bookings. Lastly, we have our brand ambassador Jitesh Sharma. None other competition has a big cricketer than Jitesh Sharma. So currently, we are dominating in Nagpur. We have more turfs than any other competitions. Currently, we have 16 venues and 2 pickleball courts. In a month, we will have all the turfs in the Nagpur, and already we are dominating, and we will always stay at the top.